Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean USB drive and saving any important files. Plug the laptop into power so the process won't interrupt. This avoids corruption. Open Lenovo Recovery Creator or Windows, create a recovery drive, then choose the correct USB device and include system files when prompted. Click Create and wait. The tool copies a full recovery image. Once done, safely eject the USB. Make sure its label matches the drive letter so you don't plug in the wrong device later. You now boot from the USB and configure firmware settings if needed. Restart into the boot menu using the Lenovo button or hold Shift and choose Restart, then pick your USB device. If it doesn't appear, enter UEFI/BIOS and set USB as the first boot option. Make sure legacy support is enabled only if required. If the recovery media still won't start, disable Secure Boot temporarily, then save and reboot. Once the USB loads, follow on-screen prompts to continue the recovery. You finish by selecting the recovery option that matches your goal. A factory image restores out-of-box settings, while Reset keeps or removes files. Follow the prompts to format partitions if instructed, then start the restore. The process will reboot several times. When setup completes, sign in and reinstall software updates. If something goes wrong, like the USB not recognized, try a different USB port, recreate the recovery media on another stick, or rebuild the image with the original tool before repeating the boot steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.